that. Head back. Give me one more. Turn, turn, turn. Lean that way. Good. A little bit there. So let's come back this way. You got it. Head back. There it was. How'd that feel?
That feels good.
Now, let's check that neck. Boom. There we go.
Yeah, it feels better.
That's a lot better.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
I don't know what I did. I don't know what I must have went too heavy because like I literally was doing it.
Yeah.
And I was like, whoa, what the?
You
and
just
I was
felt it like pinch?
Yeah, and I was like, time to go to the sauna. And I just went to the sauna. I was like, yeah, that's done for the day.
There you go. Good stuff.